Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the ease of movement indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched my first video and the videos after that, you need to go do that right now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team, and as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down in the description below. You can also find a link to our Discord server, so that way we can all discuss testing indicators and building our trading system. And lastly, you can find a link below to TradingView. If you sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money using the link below. Alright, before we get into testing today's indicator, wanted to put up the indicator scoreboard here. So to date, we have tested 29 indicators. And out of those 29 indicators, 10 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win rate threshold that we are looking for. The best winner so far has been an 85% win rate, which is a very respectable win rate for a single indicator to achieve. So as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of these 10 indicators and you could jump out there and start profitably trading the market now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, pick the ones that you like best, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on building the best trading system possible. Alright, as I said, we are going to test the ease of movement indicator. It is a single line oscillator. It is a volume-based oscillator. It is designed to measure the relationship between price and volume and display that relationship as an oscillating line. So the blue line here, the light blue line, is the ease of movement. And because it is a single line oscillator, like we have done with quite a few other indicators, we have added a moving average to it. So the orange line is a standard moving average set on a 10 period. And when the light blue, the ease of movement, crosses down below the moving average, that is a sell signal. When it crosses up above, that is a buy signal. And that is how we are going to test it. So let's get on with the testing process and see what we can get out of the ease of movement. Alright, there is the first cross right there. That is a buy. Let's see. So it crossed on that one. And it gave us a win. Always good to have a win. First signal we get. And sometimes when a large event takes place in the market and sends a Forex pair's price plummeting or shooting up, you will see that your indicator goes a little haywire for a little bit. Some indicators, it creates complete chaos with them for a good couple weeks, and some of them, like this one, seem to recover rather quickly with little or no problem. So keep that in mind when playing around with indicators. There's our second signal, and that would be a loss. And then another win, and then looks like another loss. So far, it seems to be doing a relatively decent job. It was doing a pretty decent job. It picked up a few losses here. That's definitely going to hurt us a little bit. But that's not to say that it can't pull back out here. I don't know. Starting to take a lot of hits here. It's definitely going to be close. Looked really good there for a moment. We are getting close to the end of the year now. We are getting close to the end of the year now. And it's kind of uncertain at this point. Gives us some really good signals, and then other times gives us some really bad signals. It just got itself chopped into pieces right here. This this ranging zone here, this chop zone, boy, it just annihilated any chance of this indicator being able to achieve any kind of reasonable win rate, which is really a shame because it was doing rather well there for a minute. So it may be one of those scenarios where if we changed from maybe a moving average to, I mean, I guess technically you could do a zero line cross. There is a zero, and then it goes negative, positive. So this one might be worth tinkering around a little bit more if someone wanted to throw it up on a zero line, something I might do in my free time off videos, throw it up onto a zero line instead of a moving average cross like we are playing with it now, and see if we can't get something a little bit better out of it. But for the moment being, we have tested it this way, and so let's get the count here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So we have 33 signals. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We only have 11 wins. So that definitely does not meet the 60% threshold that we are looking for. But like I said, there's something about it that seems a little promising, and so I might tinker around with it in my free time, or if someone out there wants to throw it up on your charts and play around with it also. Like I said, we could put a line here at the 0 and test it off of that. Play around with it and see if that gives us a little bit better results. I mean, already it looks like it may be able to, yeah, kind of give it a little bit better chance, but, you know, who knows? Alright, so that's it. We are going to put this one on the no list for now. Maybe revisit it later once I play with it in my free time, or if someone else can justify us bringing it back out and playing with it, then we will do so. If you have not already, like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. As part of the team, it's important that you are seeing the new videos as they come out so you know what it is that we are discussing and what indicators we are testing, have tested, and have not tested. Also, like usual, there is a link below in the description to the Discord server. You can join us on Discord so that way we can further discuss the indicators and have discussions as we move forward building our trading system. And lastly, like usual, there is a link below to TradingView. If you like what you see whenever I use TradingView, and you are interested in signing up for TradingView, if you use the link below and sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money. So, alright everybody, I will see you on the next video.